Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, November the 29th of 2024. Gee, less than a month to Christmas, can you believe that? First of all, a happy Thanksgiving to all of our American friends who are celebrating the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Geez, there are definitely too many stressful things going on in the world, but at the same time, we have so very much to be thankful for as well. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Darko points out potential trade setups by showing you a clip out of his pre-market analysis video that we provide to our members. And then I'll show you, what transpired following his PMA video. And remember, these are always shown by Darko in advance. I sure hope you not only like the video, but most importantly, that you get some takeaways from it that will help you with your own trading. And if that's the case, it is Thanksgiving. We'd be very thankful for giving that a thumbs up. Alrighty? Alright, let's hear what Darko had to say, and then I will follow up after that.
So, long story short, your bias is up, your price is retracing. We are at level of support right now. And the next level is down in here. I'm marking both levels for you, putting things in context, to doing the hard work. And now you are just waiting for a pattern. The pattern could be like a daily ACAT, an hourly swing break rotation, okay, or an hourly set and forget, because the trend is up, right? Or at least on the bigger picture, okay?
Okay, let's have a look at this trade. Now, Darko did all the heavy lifting. You just heard what he had to say. He identified the higher time frame trends as being up. His bias is up on it, so he's looking for places to buy. That would be the best odds trades to take. So he identified this in the upper right hand corner, upper right hand screen of the screen here. You can see this level. This is I've got this black line across here, which is a level that he pointed out. This is a weekly level. So when we're day trading, like these kind of levels are important to watch. They may not mean anything. Price just might just keep going down. Well, in this case, it looks like price kept going down, but that's not what happened on a day trading basis. If we go down to the daily chart, and this, by the way, right here where this arrow is, that's where price was at when Darko made this recording. You can go have a look at it. It comes down to this level. This is that same level I just showed you on the weekly chart. Okay. And what I like to do, by the way, just a little sidebar here, I like using line charts. They show really nicely. You can see how this was support here. It broke it. Then it became resistance. It broke it. And look where it stopped again. And by the way, when it went below, look how it came back. Line charts are fantastic. I could actually do another video just on line charts. Let me know if you'd like something like that, by the way. I can do that. Anyway, price hits here. What did he say to do? He said if price hits here, look for what? He said look for a daily ACAT, an hourly swing break rotation, or an hourly set and forget. Okay? This candle, if I move this over right to here, that is a daily ACAT. Exactly what he said to look for. And if I go down to the 1 hour chart, it didn't look very good when Darko recorded this. This is where the price was at when Darko recorded it. And he said, look, who would have thought we got a daily ACAT? Well, we never know. The market's going to do what it's going to do. This price action formed that daily ACAT. Okay, just take this out of the way here to avoid clutter. And price pulled back, and there's different places to buy a pullback. Fibonacci levels, and you can buy them at the 618 level. You can buy them deeper at this 79%. You can buy it at these levels here. To keep it uniform and simple, Darko just points out the 62% or 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is this circle right here. And taking it there with a lower little stop loss, you're going to have about a 75 pip risk. And it went up 187 pips up to here, to this level of resistance. And by the way, this is all trade management. As price is going up, everybody does it a little bit differently. There's no right and wrong. If you want to get a less of a risk, you can try to buy it deeper, which actually got hit. All right. So and if you bought it deeper down here at around the 79%, now you're looking at like a 45 pip risk, and this move up becomes 216 pips for almost a 5 to 1, 4.8 to 1, versus a 2.5 to 1. Those are both very, very good trades. How do you know it's going to come to 79%? You don't know. You could miss the trade. Okay, so you have to be okay with that. So pick whatever is most suitable for you. And so anyway, price goes up. This is a very good level to look to take a profit. And if you look at The daily chart, it shows out quite nicely on here. That was this level up in here, right? And because you don't know what's going to happen. It was support, and then it was resistance, and it hits it again, and down it goes. So it's very important to have to know ahead of time where you're going to take profit. And then you'll see what it did after that. Comes all the way back down, and by the way, when it hit here, what do? Nothing. You know why? Because there was no pattern there. We didn't have a setup that we recognize that we use. Nothing happened in this case right here. Okay, so that's what the kind of stuff that he points out all the time for our members, and like he says, he does all the heavy lifting for you. I mean, it's one thing to learn something, but it's quite another to have some nice examples shown to you in advance of what you can look for, and then you can check out the aftermath. And it takes time. I mean, you might not see it all right away, and it might be something, well, I don't really know if I trust that or not, and you want to wait. That's okay. Take your time and get comfortable with it, because you have to have confidence and trust in what you're doing. And you get that through experience. So these kind of setups are exactly what we look for. And usually they win. They don't always win, but they certainly win often enough that it provides a very nice trading campaign for our members. So this is just another example of how Darko's pre-market analysis videos provide trading opportunities for our clients. And listen, if trading the Forex or any other tradable asset, could be stocks, indices, futures, or whatever, if any of that is in the cards for you, Darko's approach is truly one that would be worth learning. Okay, I mean, after all, he's been producing these videos for like over 7 years now with a positive track record every single year. So let's leave it at that. I hope you all have a fantastically great weekend, and we'll look forward to whatever trading opportunities present themselves to us next week, which of course Darko will continue to point out in advance for our members. Thanks again, everyone. Wishing all of you the very best. Take care.